friends, it's Emily with Burlap Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a really simple, cute craft you can make with these little pallets you get from DollarTree. So I'm going to turn it into an American flag. I'm using the color English Navy on the top half of the flag, or the top corner of the flag, and then of course I'm going to use the red and white stripes, and I'm using flamenco red for the red, and then I just used the vintage white for the white, and I'm just painting those on with my paintbrush. Make sure it's dry in between layers so you don't smear your paint. Then I'm going to come in with the white, and I'm going to paint the white stripes on. And once I get those painted on, again, I'm going to make sure everything is nice and dry before moving on to the next step. Then I'm taking a star from the star pack, and I went ahead and painted that white as well. I'm using one of the smallest stars for this. Now I'm going to use some sandpaper and scuff this up just to give it that rustic look. And the sanding blocks I get questions about all the time. You can get those at Walmart or Lowe's. And then I'm going to also sand up the star. And then I'm using my Dixie Belle antique wax and one of these blending tools. We do have these blending tools. So if you comment crafty, you'll get information sent to your inbox on them. So I'm going to go ahead and distress this flag with the blending tool and the Dixie Belle antique wax. And I did the same thing to the star, so they all look alike. Then I'm going to glue the star into the center of the blue part there of the flag. And then I did take some polka dots and add to that blue part just to represent the rest of the stars. And then I'm taking a little piece of floral wire, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around the ends so I can hang this with it. And I did have to use a little glue on the end because I did want it on the ends because of where I want the placement of my bow. So I'm just going to use some glue here to hold it in place. And then I took some raffia to the corner here. And I'm just going to tie a knot and then tie this into a really simple, cute little bow. And this project was really simple to make, and it turned out so cute. It's perfect to use it as like a little decorative hanger, or you could also use it on tiered trays too and sort of skip the hanger part if you want to. It's completely up to you. But I did use a little bit of hot glue here just to hold that raffia in place. And again, this one just turned out super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And let me know if you've made one of these before and if you plan to give this one a try. Thanks so much for watching.